Hello! Welcome to Sons of the Forest! I'll be honest here, I have played the original Forest. Me and my friend are doing a playthrough on it. It's not a YouTube one, it's a private one. We haven't finished the game. And I just figured, hey, since we're having a break from that playthrough, I might as well play a sequel. Or spin-off, is it? I'm not sure. We didn't really get much into the story. I know that there's cannibals on an island. And that's about it. I'm not gonna skip. So as far as I know from the story, I'm playing as the son of the person that we're playing as in the forest, the first game. I don't know the events up to that. That's all I know. So I'm going in with semi-blind. I don't know if this is going to be an entire series. I might just do 3 episodes on it. Well, I'll wait for more updates to come out and such.
Last signal was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not going to find anyone alive down there.
You can have grey eyes? I didn't even know you could have grey eyes. Fight. Demons. What does that mean? Oh, what? Cannibals are fucking guns? What the shit? Or is there someone else on this island? Oh, bit buffery. Are they both dead or knocked out? Oh no. I hope there isn't lag in the game. That would be really annoying. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Sorry for any stuff. Oh fuck. Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? It's like waking up the first time in Ark. What the fuck? Oh, that's my, open emergency only. Oh shit! You okay, man? Don't know why I picked that up. You okay? Dude, are you okay? KELVIN. Is he deaf? You do not look good, man. He's getting a bit better. Can you follow me? You don't have to fucking push it on him. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Okay. I got ammo. Alright. I'm in military gear, so I should be fine from the cold. I don't think we should stay here though, Calvin, do you think? Okay. It actually hurt my eyes a little bit. I've got meds. Probably give that a Calvin. A grenade. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh, here's my inventory. Add items to the map or open and combine them. Okay. I should equip this. And eat an energy bar. That was not what I was looking for. I was looking for meds. Shit. It was meds, yeah. There we are. Kelvin, do you need anything? Take item. Clear 5 meters. Take a break. Alright, just keep following me, I guess. Alright, I didn't shove it on him this time, at least. That was just mean. Open the emergency backpack. Oh, backpack. Okay, I know how to do that. It's been a long time, but I know how to do that. Got a tactical axe, a guidebook, a lighter, and a GPS. Let's get a guidebook. Tent. Cloth and stick. Right. What does switch mode mean? Oh. So, what is this? This is 10. It's kind of confusing compared to the other one, in all honesty. Why would I want a skull lamp? Why did they put this in the guide? Alright. Suppose. Oh, now this is what I like. I love these traps. I remember making them ages ago, but fuck. Oh, I love these so much. I remember I used to always make traps in the first game, everywhere. It didn't matter if they were like near where it's supposed to be. I like the snow. Okay, that's not being added in here. Is there a map? Oh, GPS. Find the Puffin family, find Team B or 3. So let's go up here to this weird little snow arch. Oh. I don't know if I should be on this ice. Why did the puffins go to a random unclear island to what? Oh. Let's go, yeah. Toad's Cannibal Island. This must be where the arch is, some sort of shelter. Oh wait, no, that's what the arch is. I feel like I might need the lighter. Actually, Calvin, I think you should stay out here. Just in case someone's in here. Stay here, Calvin. I'll be back, bud, okay? I don't know what's in here. Ooh. That's great. Can I use... No, I can't. Oh, I get it. It's like the caves from the first game. I'm not going down there. Definitely not going down there. Calvin, come on, bud. Calvin. I guess I should start going down the mountain. Come on, bud. That was a helicopter crash. I don't want to know how, well, cold it gets at night, so we should definitely go down the mountain. Which I already said. Is this a waterfall or just a hill? It's not really a big waterfall. Calvin, be careful. Calvin. Oh. I thought you fucking kicked the rabbit. Holy shit. I could actually be doing the wrong thing here. Maybe the snow area is like safest, I don't know. At least I have Kelvin to keep me company, am I right? I remember I should probably find a good place to stay at night. The first game had the ship, which is really good, but now... I don't know. Where the fuck is Calvin? Oh. I keep expecting like turn around and he's just gonna be gone. There's smoke over here. Another arch, which I'm gonna assume is a cave. This is quite pretty, actually. Thought that was a ravine for a second. Kelvin, is that you? I hope that was Kelvin. Oh, it is. His AI is just bugging a bit. It's fine. He should be fine, shouldn't he, Kelvin? Oh, I see where it is. It's... Oh, I thought it was going to be way more steeper. Wasn't that alligators in the first game? I can't remember entirely. I don't think me and my friend really stayed around the lakes very often. I might have to. This is beautiful. Like this is just straight up mesmerizing, honestly. Calvin, I think me and you should start going a bit faster, bud. Because I'm hearing something and I do not like it. I'll have a save, it's fine, but still. What the fuck is that? These are more the soldiers I was with. Oh. Well, good thing I came here. More loot. I have no clue if they're venomous or not. Not venomous, poisonous, sorry. I don't need to kill anything yet, so I don't want to. I hear something. I don't like banging, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's the deer. Okay. I was really on edge. Hey, Calvin, I think we should stay here, honestly. It looks nice. I'm not one personally to, you know, like set up base first day, but this is, the forest, so it's best to... It's the survival guide, isn't it? Where is it? Guidebook. Hunting shelter. Do you think I can make it? I think I could. How do I switch it? Oh, that's cute. Can you get off? Trying to do something. Uh-oh. Yeah, sorry, bud. Calvin, I don't think there's any more that I need. Calvin, mate, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you, Calvin. Take item, get sticks, build fire. Build fire. No clue how you're gonna do that, but I'm just gonna send him on his merry way and let him. How do I switch though, like between them? Because it would be fine if I knew how to switch, but I don't exactly. Oh, hi. Oh! Good job, Calvin. Yeah, let's stay here. Stay at the shelter. Good job. Oh, look at my man. It's actually kind of fucking adorable, dude. I've only finished with the base, and my fucking guy is just like sitting there, not a care in the fucking world. Wow. I should probably start thinking about setting up some traps as well. I don't want to get fucked over at the night. Be fine if it wasn't just me and Calvin. Maybe there'll be more people, who knows. Hopefully, they'll be friendly. Calvin, mate, we're doing great. Got a little base up, and you even put up a campfire. We're doing great. Now let me see. Here we are, beta build. Alright. What the? Fuck, Calvin. Calvin, there was something here. You actively got attacked by it. Get the fuck back here. They're fucking climbing the thing. Are they throwing shit at me? I don't even know what the fuck they are. Come and get us. I fucking dare you. See ya. Get back here, Mudman. You tell your fucking friends that if they fuck with me, I want them all to see, actually. I want them all to fucking see what I do with people who try and attack me. That was supposed to be... Sorry. It worked. That guy just came out of nowhere. What a dick. Doesn't add anything, but I think it makes me slightly less spottable. And I see you, you little cunt. I see the bastard. They're fucking scalloping around. Calvin, mate, you're gonna need to stay close to me, sorry. Right now, though, their ass is getting fucking tased. I don't have enough to make that, sadly. I don't know where the fuck to hide from these asshats. I'm being attacked. And I'm afraid. I don't know if I should leave. If I should stay here and hold my ground. That's really fucking cool, I'm not gonna lie. Holy shit. These fucking mudmen. They've actually got me on edge. I didn't even mean to take that. Oh. Calvin, these asshats won't leave us alone. How do I build this? Oh, this is telling me how to build that arc. Calvin? Calvin? Where's Calvin going? I'm looking on the minimap. Calvin, are you okay? What? Who the fuck are you? What? Who? What? Who the fuck was that? No, because I'm actually freaking out, dude. They're gonna... Where's Calvin going? Calvin, buddy. What? I'm so sorry. Stay hidden, mate. There's that woman! Who is she? Who is this woman? Just got to bed. Shit. Calvin, are you okay? Did anyone come here? Follow me, mate. Follow me. I think we should start fortifying the place if we're gonna stay here, because... Mate, what? That weird woman? She's still here! Hello? Can I help you? I might have to censor her because she's a bit naked. Yeah. Oh, Calvin. You know what? Just maintain the base, bud. I'm just gonna have to wait, I don't know. Hi, Calvin. Here we are. That was Why did I eat it like that? This is just a forest fire waiting and helping, Calvin. Alright, I'll be back, Calvin, okay? If you die, I will be slightly miffed. Oh yeah, max bones. Bye, Calvin. First time leaving him home alone. I hope I don't regret it. Seriously, I fucking hope I don't regret it. I will be pissed. Let's go with the little objective marker over here, the purple one. I should probably also figure out how to make a spear. I feel like if I gave that a Calvin, it'd be way easier for him to catch fish. Or to protect himself, actually. Yeah, I should probably get out of here. If they attack my baby boy Calvin, I fucking swear. Seriously, I really hope that. 'Cause I'm just gonna call them companions. Companion permadeath isn't on, and I'll come back and I'll just have to revive them or something. Fucking fast beeping, holy shit. Oh. No, that one. Is it the bottom of this cliff? Oh fuck, how am I gonna get down there? Come on, this is gotta be somewhere around here, right? It's vodka. It has to be close. What? Is there another way down? Is it under a cave? Not under a cave, but in a cave. Where is it? I have to be missing something, right? This foliage is starting to annoy us a little bit. Oh, maybe it's like the first game, because in the first game, yeah, what was it? I'm safe to crap here. Never mind. Because in the first game, there were like these little bits that you had to blow up with dynamite or something. Something to that effect. So, maybe it's the same with this. I may as well. Oh, it actually did do some good. The orange ones are alright. Oh no, that's just all of them in gen. Oh, okay. I'm going back to Kelvin. I didn't get a lot done. Yeah, Kelvin's fine a bit still. Not a fan of that. Definitely not a fan of those sounds as well. I didn't expect the cannibals to be this lively this soon. It's a bummer that I couldn't find anything other than vodka. I mean, it'll come out like helpful when I really need it, but still. Yeah, that's where I was earlier. Bit hard to get over there, but I can manage. Yeah. This is where I was earlier. Oh. These are snacks, I remember. Hi, Kelvin. I'm home. Should probably just get on to building something good, you know. Something that would really help us, me and Calvin. Fuck Calvin, man! You know, I should actually go on another expedition full on. Stay here, Calvin, I'll be back. Just because I really need that rope. Not really, but I'd like 3 pieces of rope for that trap, number 1, and for maybe a tree platform, which I'm looking at now. Unless I find a really good place to build. Oh, that's a cannibal. I thought it was a fucking turtle. Get the fuck back here. You don't do that. What a dick. Fucking galloping throughout the fucking woods. Holy shit. fuck, there's a ton of them. Did I chew the pills? I don't think you're supposed to do that. Yeah, I should probably fucking start running away from these assets. Is that a cannibal encampment? That one's normal. Those are walking normally. What are up with these assets? Are these like outsiders? What are they? I don't think I should make my presence known to those ones. Not yet. The scavengers. I'm gonna call these lot the scavengers. They're what worrying us right now. Now this is promising. Okay, little lake. Okay, this one has promise as closed boxes. A zipline rope. I do not know that I needed that. Second build and vodka. I mean, that's good. Not denying that. A vodka bottle. Rope! Yes! I'm honestly curious. This could go any way. Terribly or okay. I don't think there's an in-between. Let's just hope these aren't human meat. No, those are human arms. I'm hoping those baby things don't make a reappearance, honestly. Creep me the fuck out. I don't know if I should go down here. Are you chucking rocks at me? What is up with these cannibals and chucking fucking rocks? Oh fuck, there's a fuck ton of them! There's a fuck ton of them, oh shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Damn it. What was I expecting? Oh no. What is happening? What the? You must retrieve your backpack first. What is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that thing? What the hell are you? It's like one of them babies from the first game, but like times 10. I think I know what I need to do. I think I know what I need to do. I don't know if I've done the right thing, actually. A sluggy. What the hell the thing... Well, it was a sluggy, but you know. Well, I don't like the sluggy. Is that music? That's where I was earlier. I keep expecting them to like see them on the top. Wait. What if I theoretically... I don't like that, no. No, I shouldn't go there, because I've already died once. I don't know how many times I'll die again. What was like, they like put me in a cocoon or whatever. One moment. No, it's gone. There was a cocoon I was in. You guys just saw, I know, but like... confused as to where I was. I believe this is where I was earlier, right? You fucking stupid fucking bat. Yeah, this is where I was earlier. Honestly, just want to see if I can like kill someone over a rock. Too bad it takes 14 years to find something in this menu. Hey, loser. Yeah, you heard me. You're ugly. Surprised it left us alone. I don't think it's gonna leave me alone, actually. Isn't that where I started over there? The cave mouth? Before you moved for a second. Oh fuck! You don't have a face! Is that how they work? It's sound. They don't have eyes as far as I saw. Wait, what? And I'm back to this hell. Alright, what if I theoretically take away the axe? I don't want that out. What about just a rock? Okay! Alright. I gotta say, this is definitely a very, very odd experience when you're playing solo. I'm used to playing with people. Actually, I might do that. If I decide to continue with this series, I'll do a tiny little solo series, and if I decide to come back to it, I'll do a multiplayer. Calvin, I gotta go kill some dickhead. I'll be right back. Never mind, they fuck off. You really, like, the scavengers really can fucking hide really well. Man, it is annoying to find them. Kelvin, please be careful. How do you make a spear? Finding sticks is again. Oh, here we are. This is but the fucking sticks. Craft a spear. I need duct tape. Of course, I need duct tape. That's cringe. Yeah, I figured that. Yeah, it's way too ambitious. Alright, I'm just gonna say, before I end off the game, I think I'm gonna make a tree house, honestly. I don't know, I feel like it'd be added security. Oh fuck, Calvin's gonna help us. Sweet. I just have to chop down the tree. And Calvin will run away like a pansy. I mean, it makes sense to be fair, he doesn't have anything to fight back with. Yeah, don't fuck with me, pussy. Skin pouch. Nice. Yeah, it's obvious that you're here, you stupid fuck. Get the meal. Your dead friend fucking tastes nice, I bet. What? Who the fuck are you? Why are you bones? Calvin, help. Calvin, there are walking people, not scavengers. It has a weapon, Calvin. I need help. Calvin? Oh, God. Get the fuck back here, you little bitch. That's what I thought, you little cunt. You have a mask. I want everyone to smell your corpse for miles. And never mind, there's not a campfire anymore. Where's Calvin gone? Okay. Alright, actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna leave that off today. If you like that episode, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you all next video when I figure out how to get these asshats to leave my base alone. Or a move base, either way. See you guys next time. Bye.